You're eating your protein, but your muscles still feel like they're refighting Hawaii. Why? Because protein is only half the story. After age 65, your body is starving for 3 invisible nutrients that most doctors never mention. Without them, your strength is literally leaking out. Today, I'm revealing what these 3 missing pieces are and how to fix them using simple kitchen staples. Don't let another day of weakness pass. Let's rebuild your power right now. You think protein builds muscle, but vitamin D is the key that unlocks that protein. Without it, your muscle fibers stay asleep. Harvard Health confirms a scary fact. Low vitamin D leads to frequent falls. It makes your muscles soft and unresponsive. But you don't need a pharmacy for this. Start with 15 minutes of morning sun. Eat fatty fish, like sardines or salmon, twice a week. Mushrooms are also a hidden gold mine. Place your mushrooms in the sun before cooking. This boosts their vitamin D levels naturally. If you use a supplement, check with your doctor first. Look for vitamin D3 for better absorption. Protein is the brick for your muscles, but magnesium is the worker who moves those bricks. As we age, our bodies lose magnesium faster. The National Institutes of Health warns about this. Low magnesium causes painful leg cramps at night. It makes your grip strength very weak. You might feel tired even after a full night's sleep. This is because your muscles cannot relax or recharge. But the fix is sitting in your kitchen. Start your day with a handful of pumpkin seeds. They are the highest natural source of magnesium. Add more leafy greens like spinach to your lunch. The darker the leaf, the better the strength. Bananas are also great for a quick muscle boost. For a sweet treat, eat a small piece of dark chocolate. It must be at least 70% cocoa to work. If you struggle with sleep, a magnesium citrate supplement can help. Always talk to your healthcare provider before starting any new pill. Magnesium turns your food into actual physical power. Most people think omega-3 is only for the heart, but the Mayo Clinic says it is vital for aging muscles. It fights the silent inflammation that eats your strength. Think of it as oil for your body's engine. Without it, your joints feel stiff and your muscles feel heavy. You can find this power in simple walnuts. Just 5 walnuts a day can make a huge difference. Chia seeds and flax seeds are also tiny powerhouses. Sprinkle them over your morning oats or yogurt. If you like vegetables, Brussels sprouts are excellent. They help repair the tiny tears in your muscle tissue. For those who prefer supplements, look for high-quality fish oil. Algae oil is a great plant-based alternative. Strong blood flow means stronger, firmer muscles. When you combine these 3 nutrients, magic happens. Your body finally starts using the protein you eat. You will feel more balance in your steps. You will feel more power in your hands. Age is just a number when your cells are fed correctly. Don't let age take away your freedom. Start with one small change today. Add some seeds to your breakfast. Sit in the sun for a few minutes. Listen to what your body is telling you. You have the power to rebuild your strength. If you found this helpful, please subscribe to Wellness Path Podcast. Share this video with a friend who needs more energy. Let's grow stronger and healthier together. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video.